So hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. So today I'm going to explain you about the inheritance concept in Python programming, which comes under OOPS concepts. So inheritance is nothing but acquiring the information from the parents class to the child class is called as inheritance. Inheritance is a very useful and powerful concept of object oriented programming. Let us explore the things in it. What is inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but inheritance. Let us tells about to the create new classes from the existing ones by inheriting attributes and methods, and enabling hierarchical relationships. By this, the main advantage is reusability. It is generally inheritance is used for doing reusability techniques. The example is shown as here. Animal is an parent class, and class dog is an child class. Parent class is the class which provides features to the another class. The parent class is also known as the base class or super class. Child class is the class. When it comes to child class, it is the class which refers features from receive the features from another class. Parents class gives the features. Child class takes the features from that, and but parent class never acquires features from the child class. This is the main thing. The types of inheritance that are multi-level inheritance, simple inheritance, multiple inheritance, etc. Inheritance, let me show you the example of inheritance. Here at the right side you can see a picture. There I wrote the program. Here parent class is the parent class, and here the child class is the child class which receives the information. Parent class gives the information. Here in parent class, by define we wrote something, feature from one parent class is running like that. In child class also we wrote in a print statement. By using an object called obj, we are specifying the child class, and object dot feature 1, that means we are accessing the feature 1 from the class, and like that we get the output that feature 1 from parent class is running. That is the print statement that is written in the first one. But here the main thing is that the syntax of inheritance is first one class, then base class semicolon. Then after writing the things in the base class, you have to write class and derived class. In brackets you have to mention the name of the parent class, and at the end colon. This is the syntax. By this syntax we applying to the program. By doing the program we get the output. I showed you the example. This is how it works. Let us go to the next slide. This I already explained you just now. The main thing is that a child class can inherit from two or more parents classes. This is an important thing. Multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, child class can child the child class is derived from other classes. You can inherit it, or you can inherit a derived class from another derived class. This is known as multi-level inheritance. Syntax of multi-level inheritance are class and base class. Then here it's a mistake. Class base class semicolon. Later the member of base classes, functions of base class or methods. Next, next we have to derive it. Let me show you the example. uh, Actually I didn't write example, I'll show you later. Syntax, I'll show you the syntax. Base class, then the things in what will be written in the base class, later the base class 2, then the things, then the derived class inside the brackets, base class 1 and base class 2, and later the things that are present in the child class, the derived class. um, See the example here. Class animal. In this we are writing a print statement eating. Then class mammal, that is parent class, nothing but a parent class of, sorry, that is the child class of animal, that inherits from animal. So we wrote here a print statement called nursing. Later we define another child class, that is the that inherits from mammal. A little we wrote here. By running we will get the output of the class. Here is the example program as I showed you. Here feature 1 print statement, a parent class 1. First the parent class. Here print statement is as shown. Later that in child class 1 inherits from the parents class, and another print statement I wrote. Later the child class that inherits from the child class 2 inherits from child class 1. This happens, and I wrote a print statement where I defined the object and specified to the child class 2, and I access the elements in the elements or variables present in the classes, and the output that I got is as shown. When I access the feature 1, I got to print the print statement present in the parent one, that is the first parent class. Later when I used feature 2, that means there I in this method I got to print the print statement present in that. This all happens, you can see once. The super and method overriding. Super allows us to access the methods of base class from the derived class. It used to reduce extensions. Method overriding. A derived class can override base class methods to provide specialized behavior while keeping the interface consistent. Actually the super is very essential. Using super we can access we can uh, do the or take the elements from parents class. And thank you, that's it. This was the video. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.